G'day everybody. Have you ever in high school, from your music teacher, ever been told about, if you all just keep doing your own song and your own music and your own twang twang, it doesn't sound right. So he goes, alright, everyone ready with your instruments? Go! And then it's and he's got to try to get he's all to get into symphony. No, you're offbeat and guess what's similar? What's that noise? The aliens say. It's the humans. They're all putting out their sympathies of differences. And it's just a big noise. It becomes chaos, doesn't it? See, if you don't have things in a symphony, it becomes chaos. So what do you see in the world? Do you see a symphony? Or do you see the kids all playing their instruments and in chaos and not going to the symphony? Not practicing, not working together. What do you see? I see the chaos and the monkey pissing on us.